Welcome back. Today we are taking a tour of the Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 39DK. This destination trailer is built for the long haul, coming in at over 43 feet with a GVWR of 13,255 pounds. It features the Cherokee's stable step and a power awning, making your campsite setup easier than ever. Let's head inside. The first thing you'll notice is the king bed slide out, which opens up the floor plan significantly. You have a large wardrobe for your clothes and a spot for a TV, but the big feature here is the washer and dryer prep. If you are planning on extended stays, having that laundry capability right here in the master suite is a total game changer. Just outside the bedroom, we head up the stairs, not a ladder, to the double loft area. This space is huge. On one side, you have bunk mats and cabinets, making it a comfortable sleeping area for kids or guests. On the other side, you have a wide open section that works perfectly as a playroom or just massive extra storage for your gear. Coming back down, we step into the central living area. This space is designed for comfort, featuring dual high-bed sofas and lounge chairs. It all centers around the entertainment setup with a fireplace that adds both heat and ambiance. The LED strip lighting gives the whole room a modern residential feel. Flowing right from the living room is this incredible front kitchen, a large pantry for dry goods, The kitchen is fully equipped with an 18 cubic foot residential refrigerator. You have a unique bar top with stools and a free standing dinette in the slide out. You also get the residential farm style black stainless steel sink and upgraded faucet sprayer. Finally, we finish in the full bathroom. This features a spacious shower with a built-in seat for extra comfort and a high-output attic fan. It's conveniently located right across from the second entry door, so you can easily access it from the outside without tracking dirt through the whole trailer. Thanks for watching the Timberwolf 39DK walkthrough.